Hey guys, welcome to Natural Living DRX. And today the topic is chronic constipation. Actually, if I ask 1,000 people the question that are you constipated? So I believe 999 will say, oh yes, or maybe they will be in confusion. So today's topic is the acupressure points for chronic constipation. If you are constipated, your whole day will be spoiled. And if this situation will be carry on for a month, year and forever, then you will be caught by so many diseases, because in Ayurveda will follow if your stomach is not good, if your stomach is not empty properly, then you will get plenty of diseases. So in this video, I will tell you how you can cure your constipation without any pill, without any medication, just by a magical acupressure points. I already did one video that is a yoga pose. If you haven't seen, you can go to my video section, or I also put in the card or maybe in the end screen, you can check it. That is a Malasana yoga pose, which is a single yoga pose. If you'll do it every morning in the when you woke up, you can do that pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Your constipation will be much better. And also follow this video acupressure point, and you will be cured by the constipation. You don't need to do any medication for that. So without wasting your time, let's start a video. So to locate the first point in our hand, and this point is bilateral, it goes to both the hands. So first you need to find out your wrist line right here, I mean where the wrist started. So this is the wrist line, and then you have to go 4 finger down, that means there. So it's almost right here. Yeah, so if you go like, yes, 4 finger down, so this is the point right here. And then you need a prop, a jimmy, and you need to activate this point or stimulate. You need to press it and release. So the pressure should be a pumping pressure, meaning you have to press for sometimes like 10 seconds and then release. Again press for 10 seconds and release like this. Press it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release. Again press it and stimulate it. 10 seconds and release. Again press it and release. Like this, you need to press this point at least 10 to 15 times. And if you want, you can press it for a minute also, just like this, little harder, so that you can feel the pain. Because if you are pain on this point, that means yeah, you are having exact point. And gradually for a week or so, you will have that pain because you are pressing the point. But gradually, like your problem will be better, your pain is also getting reduced on the local pain point. Okay, so you need to press it for at least a minute and then release. And you can also use a seed or something like in a tape, surgical tape, and can apply right here. And I have a acupressure stimulating machine. That is, if you want to buy it, I can add a link on my description, because this is really magical to stimulate a point. I'll just set it on a number 2. Sensation is also in number 2 and start it. You can see that it's flickering. Now I have to add this thing on this point right here and hold it for 30 seconds. And then release. So by this also you can activate, because it's really magical and the impact is more by this machine. And if you wanted to add like any seed or any bowel magnet, that works wonder on this point. So just take a surgical tape like this and add I am using the black pepper right now. So just take a black pepper and just use on this particular point like this. Now you can see that right here, right? Now after putting the black pepper seed over here, just need to press it for a while, at least 10 seconds, and then release. Again press it for a while, 10 seconds and release. Now you can leave the seat for at least 5 to 6 hours. You can also put it at the night time during sleeping time, but you need to, whenever you woke up in the night, you just need to press it so that this point will get stimulated and it works better. Similarly, if you're using it in a daytime, you just keep pressing in an hour and so that it will get pressed and stimulated and working a whole day. So this is the way, and you can use this seat therapy like, like at least 15 days to a month, and there is no harm. It's completely safe. Now we'll go to the second point. So now I'm going to tell you the second point for the chronic constipation. So you can see your ankle area right here. It just half inch down from your ankle area right here. Just this is your ankle area. So where it's end, just half inch down right here. So we will mark it by the marker. Like this is your ankle area, just half an inch down right here. So this is your second point of chronic constipation. So we'll again take a jimmy and just stimulate this point. Just press it and just hold it for 10 seconds and release. And I'll apply this thing at least 10 times. Just press it, hold it and release. Press it, hold it and release. So if you want, again, you can stimulate it by the AcuDoctor machine. Just like that, set it on the number 2, both the things, sensation also number 2, and just when it started, just apply it like this, stimulate it for a while and leave it. If you don't have this machine, don't worry. You can use it, any pencil and the back of the pen, and you can also use your thumb like this. Just give a pressure like this. You initially, because you have a chronic constipation, because you do have little pain on this point, but as your constipation will get better gradually, if you are practicing this point every day, your local pain point pain also get reduced. So if you have this kind of roller, you can also apply this kind of roller on that particular area. So it will give you very good impact and effectiveness. So like this. So this would be your second point. And again, if you want to apply any seed or anything, any ball magnet, you can also do that. Like you can see that as I apply on my hand. Now you can do the same black pepper on this point like this, and just like this by the surgical tape. And you can press it and you can leave it for 4 to 6 hours, maybe in the night time or maybe in the daytime, whatever convenient to you, and press it in an hour or maybe and so that it will get stimulated during that time. And you can use this therapy at least for a month, and so this is absolutely safe for the long time also. So you can keep it. And now we'll go for our third point. So the third point of the constipation is at your back area, at the lower back area. This is the middle part of your spine. You can feel the round bones of your vertebra. Just the side of your vertebra, there are the acupressure points for constipation. So you can press it by this probe also, like this, like this, like this, like this, both the sides of your spine, like this, like this. Or if you don't have this kind of probe, then you can use your both the thumbs. So you can do like this from here, where your, the waist is starting. So from here, press it, hold for at least 10 seconds and release. Press it, hold for 10 seconds and release. Again, press it, hold 10 seconds and release. So for these points, you need someone who can press it, because you can't do it by your own self. So just press it, hold and release. So just like that, you can do the whole lower spine. And these are really effective points for the constipation. And you can also, if you have this kind of roller, or if you don't, I can just put the link on my description or the pinned comment. You can grab it and it's really easy. Anyone can go and just, just roll this thing at the lower spine. You should not be very harsh and hard. You just do it very nicely and gently at the lower spine, and these both the points will be get pressed and stimulated very nicely. So you can do also this thing. So this is all very effective constipation points, the chronic constipation acupressure points. If you do it for at least for like in a month, you will get the result, and gradually if you keep practicing these points, will definitely get success to cure your constipation at all. Thank you guys. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and take care.